Cruiser 6 here. Good morning! Welcome back to a new video. As you can see, we are continuing in the storage room. So we did the floor last time in here, so that is all nice and beautifully done. And the hatch, we're waiting for a button so we can open it and close it, so we don't need to use just a plug to open and close it. So yeah, that one will be delayed until that part arrives. And yes, for now we are gonna get on with the walls. As we had some friends over, we were checking with the thermal camera just to show them the thermal camera. And yes, this wall is really cold compared to this wall. This wall is around 5 to 10 degrees warmer than this wall. This wall is really cold, so yes, it's losing a lot of heat and bringing a lot of cold in. Currently this room we're not heating, but once we're heating it, it will be cooling the house down. And yeah, covering it up and insulating it would be smart because this is a single layer wall. So I think it's gonna be a smart idea for us to keeping our heat inside. So yeah. We can't really insulate it from the outside unless we insulate the whole house, as we have explained, because here, right here, it switches to a double wall. So it means that we're only insulating till there from outside, which creates a bulk. And the insulation from outside, the rock wool sheets that you put, they're really not that durable. I've seen them fly off in the wind really easily. Insulating from inside is going to be more than good enough for us. I don't think we're going to get any dew points and moisture creation. So yeah, let's get started. It's not going to be the easiest since I need to find out where to hook it. On the floor it's easy, we're just going to screw onto the floor. And on top, probably going to be attaching to these beams. This beam we do want to replace because this one is split in half here. And it's just been hooked together kind of. It's okay for now for holding just rock wool upstairs, but if we want to use it as a second floor, we do need a bit more solid beam. I don't think this would struggle to hold any weight, but you know, you're putting fresh floor on top of it, you want it to be a bit nicer, and we do have beams in this length. It's really short, so we do have beams that size, so we're going to be able to replace that. So in this video we are just going to do the frame because it is quite a lot of work just to get the frame done. So yeah, let's get started.
Snow is better.
Where are you, Snow?
No.
Why did you have to leave?
I told you. My eyes are like a level. Well, now you can't physically pull it off. So one wall is finished. As you've seen, the frame is ridiculously strong. You can't jiggle it a single bit. So we have created a solid, nice frame that we're also going to be able to hang things from, put shelves on and things like that. So it's going to be really useful. And before we continue with the next wall, we want to thank today's video sponsor, which is Gentlebands. They were kind enough to send us a ring. So let's unbox it and see exactly what they sent us. Screws are sexier. It's a man's ring. It goes with screws. Thor with the rubber hammer. So this is the ring I chose, which is with a whiskey barrel, 18 karat gold, and with an opal inside with the little stones. I really like the blue color and I like the dark from the whiskey barrel. I'm not a whiskey drinker, but I do love old wood, so it kind of fit me. But yes, they have hundreds of different types of rings to choose from, so yeah, there's everything for everyone's taste. I could not choose. It took me hours to even find the one I wanted because there were so many options. I just didn't know which one I really want, but this one was the one that caught my eye. I like it the most, so yeah. Plus it also comes with free engraving, and we engraved the day we arrived to this house, since it is a sponsorship towards this YouTube channel, which is all about our house. So yes, we engraved the day that we arrived here, which is meaningful to us. So yeah, you also get a free engraving.
So that's also meaningful for you guys.
You can also get it together with a chain, so you can wear it. For me, that's more useful to wear it as a necklace. Like this, I can have it on me and it looks really stylish. But yes, to the city, I wear it on my finger and it looks gorgeous. I really like it. So yeah, it's handmade as well. As it says here on the certificate of craftsmanship, someone has signed it, the person that made this ring. So these are handcrafted. So check out the link down below if you really want one or looking for a Christmas present. But yeah, thanks again for Gentlebands of sponsoring this video. So yeah, let's move on with the video.
Ella, bravo! So in case you're wondering, Ivy goes down there to drink water because that is the best water. Right, Ivy? So she pretty much asked to go down. Yeah? Is that right?
you can see, we are finished. Just this one's here, which will go right here. Exactly the reason why we haven't put them is because we need to remove all of this, kind of lift it away, put the wood, put the plasterboard, and then this goes all back. So it's a bit more messy, and actually I don't think we need to disconnect some of the cables, because how else will, so we need to pretty much disconnect our electricity from the house to be able to attach just this part. So we're just gonna do it when we're ready and insulating it and be done. So yeah, we're gonna leave that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. I think it's turning out pretty good. It's nice and solid, and it's gonna increase the temperature of these rooms for sure. So these walls are really cold, and that's where we lose a lot of the heat. And also we're gonna hide some of this not so beautiful top foamed up work that I've done just to keep the cold out, because it's covered in holes, covered in pretty much rats and mouses have eaten out the wood, so that's a problem. A lot of these beams need replacing, so yeah, we'll get to that when we're starting with the upstairs floor, because then we just lift up the roof and slide the beam out to replace it. For now it is functioning, it's perfectly fine, it is not like it's unsafe, it's just nicer to be with a nice fresh beam. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again to Gentle Bounce of sending me this amazing ring, and make sure to check the link down below if you're really interested or want to gift someone one of these, really beautiful gift. So yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.
And let's hope for me a ring soon.